The electric vehicle revolution is heavily driven by advancements in battery technology, with China at the forefront of innovation and production. Leading this charge are two industry giants from China, Contemporary Amperex Technology Company Limited, or CATL, and BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams. These companies dominate global battery manufacturing, setting new standards for performance, cost efficiency, and scalability. In this video, we explore their histories, innovations, and market dynamics that provide valuable insight into why Chinese companies are reshaping the EV landscape and why their dominance matters in the context of global economics. CATL, Global Leadership Through Innovation and Scale. Founded in 2011, CATL quickly grew to dominate the EV battery market. Its roots trace back to Amperex Technology Limited, established in 1999. By 2016, CATL was the third largest EV battery provider globally, and by 2017, it had become the world's leader in power battery system sales. Today, CATL holds a commanding 34% global market share in EV batteries, a testament to its strategic investments in technology and partnerships. CATL's success is anchored in several strategic advantages. The company leads in lithium iron phosphate battery technology, which is safer, longer-lasting, and more cost-effective than traditional lithium-ion batteries. CATL's cell-to-pack design eliminates unnecessary weight, improving battery efficiency and reducing production costs. Major automakers like Tesla, BMW, Volkswagen, and Ford rely on CATL for their battery needs, ensuring a steady demand pipeline. CATL's massive production capacity allows it to spread costs over a larger output, reducing per-unit costs significantly. Despite its dominance, CATL faces challenges. Chinese government subsidies have played a key role in its rise, raising concerns about long-term sustainability without government support. International expansion is complicated by global trade tensions and dependence on raw materials sourced from politically sensitive regions. Rare earth elements critical for battery production are subject to fluctuating availability and pricing. China's economic environment gives CATL a significant edge over its competitors. Average wages in China are substantially lower than in the US or Europe. For example, a Chinese battery factory worker might earn $6,000 to $10,000 annually compared to $30,000 to $50,000 in the US. The lower cost of living in China translates to reduced wage demands while maintaining a decent standard of living. The yuan's lower exchange rate relative to the dollar further amplifies China's cost advantages on the global stage. Beyond labor, CATL benefits from optimized supply chains and localized material sourcing, further lowering costs. BYD Integration and Innovation. From batteries to cars. Founded in 1995, BYD began as a battery manufacturer before acquiring Xi'an Qinchuan Automobile in 2003. This marked its entry into the automotive market. BYD's first plug-in hybrid arrived in 2008, followed by its first all-electric vehicle in 2009. By 2023, BYD had become the second-largest EV battery manufacturer globally, with a 15.8% market share. BYD's vertical integration and diverse product offerings set it apart. Unlike CATL, BYD manufactures both EV batteries and vehicles, controlling the entire value chain and reducing dependence on third-party suppliers. BYD's Blade battery enhances safety, extends range, and is more affordable than many competing technologies. Beyond passenger vehicles, BYD produces electric buses, trucks, and energy storage systems, capturing multiple market segments. BYD's focus on the Chinese market limits its international presence compared to CATL. Expanding production to meet global demand remains a hurdle, particularly as labor and material costs rise. BYD primarily uses its batteries in its own vehicles, restricting its potential as a supplier to other automakers. Cost and economic context. BYD also benefits from China's cost-effective economic structure. Factory workers in BYD facilities earn wages far below their Western counterparts, but can sustain comfortable lives due to China's lower cost of living. BYD sources materials domestically, minimizing transportation and tariff costs. BYD vehicles, such as the Han and Dolphin, are priced significantly lower than equivalent Western EVs, partly due to these cost efficiencies. China's dominance in battery production is reshaping the global EV market. By producing over 75% of the world's lithium-ion batteries, Chinese companies like CATL and BYD benefit from unparalleled economies of scale. This scale, combined with cost-efficient labor and innovative technologies, has driven down battery prices globally, making EVs more affordable and accessible. Chinese firms are advancing next-generation technologies. CATL's Shengxing Plus battery and BYD's Blade battery are examples of innovations that improve range, safety, and charging times. These emerging technologies promise cheaper, safer, and more sustainable alternatives to lithium-ion batteries. Western manufacturers face significant hurdles in competing with Chinese battery producers with higher labor costs. In the US, factory wages are several times higher than in China, increasing production costs. Importing raw materials and exporting finished batteries can be more expensive for Western companies. A strong dollar makes US products pricier in international markets compared to Chinese goods. In conclusion, the global EV market owes much of its rapid growth to CATL and BYD, whose cost-effective production and technological innovations are transforming electric mobility. Their ability to leverage China's economic advantages, lower wages, localized supply chains, and favorable currency rates has enabled them to outpace competitors and dominate the battery market. As these companies continue to innovate and expand, their influence will likely grow, shaping the future of sustainable transportation worldwide. For Western manufacturers, this dominance underscores the importance of investing in next-generation technologies and fostering competitive production ecosystems to remain relevant in this fast-evolving industry. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.